In front of me is AGM mobile smart pad, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Flower. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Flower Slide Flower Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Then to use wallpaper settings, click on this gear at the top left corner. Operate all of those however you want to. And click at the bottom right corner. Then set as live wallpaper, yes, set wallpaper, and home screen or home screen and lock screen. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!